Hello guys. Well, we are going to keep up with the lesson of numbers, and if you remember, the last time we stopped on the number 40. So we'll keep up with this lesson. We'll keep up with the lesson of numbers, but we will not go deep because you will be completely confused. So let's get started. Assalamou Alaykoum wa barakatuh. Hello guys again in your lessons Arabic for foreigners. We stopped the last time on the lesson of 40 or the numbers generally, but on the number 40 you may still remember. So we'll keep up with this lesson, but we'll not go deep because I think it's an obligation to start step by step and with the fundamentals and the basics. Or if I go deep with each lessons, you will be confused. You will be confused and you will not understand anything. You will get bored and stop learning. So let's go step by step, okay? We are going to walk through the numbers up 40, okay, and 100. Then we will talk about, then we will pass by 100 until we finish to 1000 and million and so on, okay? So let's get started. Okay, after I erased everything here in the whiteboard behind me, so we will keep up with 14, okay? We'll start with 14 and so on. So, as you know, all of you, the number, but each nation, each foreigner, I mean everyone is not who is not Arabic, you know this number with his language. 40 in English, 40 in German, and 40 in French, and so on. But in Arabic, you have to know in Arabic how to pronounce this. أربعون. Repeat after me. أربعون. I will write the harakat, okay? So you will remember. By the way, I need to teach you the harakat first. When you saw any letter of Arabic letters, okay, any letter, no matter what this letter is, okay? So always there is four actually, four haraka. Three of them is, how they said, is reacted depend on the context. I want to get close the image to you. I want to clear the image to you. I want to make it very obvious. I want to make the picture very obvious to you all. So I want to simplify everything to you so you can understand what I'm talking about, okay? I will not go deep to complex grammar in Arabic because I think it's the hardest grammar ever. I believe so. So there is 3 reacted depend on the context, as I said, depend on the context of this word amongst all the totality or the comprehensive sentence, okay? And the 4th one or the last one is not reacted at all, is silent, okay? So see here and notice there is, well, let's take this, okay? There is always this one. For example, it could be like that. It can be like that. It can be like that. Or it can be like that. So if this reclined line, reclined line, this line, reclined line, not like that, not like that, sorry, not like that, not like that. It's not minus. It's not minus, okay? Like that. Recline it. Reclined one. Maybe 60 degree. I'm not sure. Whatever. You can even write it 45 degree. Recline this short line, small short line, until 45 degree, okay? But of course, not like that, 90 degree vertical form or horizontal form, okay? So please remember, just like that, reclined line, short line. This one above and both of them, this one or this one, are similar in writing. Both of them are similar, okay? Remember this, please. So if this short line, small short line, is above the letter, so it means we call it fatha. For example, ba. This is the letter ba in Arabic. Fatha. We call it fatha. Ba again is depend on, okay? Depend on the letter amongst the word, and the word also amongst the sentence. So I am talking exactly about the context, and sometimes not only the context. This is if it comes to word, the word amongst sentence. If it comes to word itself, so it's something how they said, it just take it by ears. It means this is the origin of this word, you cannot change it. If it comes to this short line, here, if it comes to under the letter, if it comes to above the letter, this is, we call it fatha. This haraka is like action, but not literally. It's like maybe figuratively, okay? I try to translate it, but not literally. But let's say it's action, literally action, haraka, okay? If it comes to above, this haraka, if it comes to above the letter, so we call it fatha. If it comes under the letter, the same short line, reclined line, So we call it كسرة. كسرة. We call it كسرة. Okay, remember this. This is فتحة, this is كسرة.